When learning to play guitar, the first 1 to 3 weeks will be the most difficult part of this experience. It's not learning theory or learning scales or playing hot licks or moving up the neck. It's actually the first time you put the guitar in your hands. And the reason is pretty obvious. You've never done it before. In the very beginning, you're learning foundational building blocks that you can move throughout the learning process. But if you don't have those down, don't even worry about playing solos or whatever it is you want to do, finger picking, whatever it is you want to eventually do with the guitar. If you don't have the basics down, just like with anything else, it's a house built upon a foundation of sand. Most people quit in the first 1 to 3 weeks. Your fingers are hurting. God, they hurt in the beginning. They have to build calluses, but the pain will subside and you'll move on. Chords will buzz. You can't get anything to sound decent in the beginning. Switching between chords feels impossibly slow. It's just, and then if you're not getting the chords to ring out, it just sounds like 3 chords of crap, really. You're learning songs or trying to learn songs and you can't even recognize it. It doesn't even sound like the song. That's when people usually throw their hands up and say, I'm just not musical, and give up. So the key to not putting down the guitar in the first 3 weeks is you want to remove as much friction as possible. You want the best ways to learn these fundamentals so that you stick with it. And another added layer of friction is the point of view, especially if you're watching someone online in a tutorial teaching you. Okay, this is a C chord, students. Learn the C chord. Okay, even if I zoom in, it's going to look totally different from your point of view. Okay, and it's how most of us learned. So you can do it, but it's just another barrier that shouldn't have to be there. It doesn't have to be there. If I show you the C chord from the point of view of how you're going to be looking at it, it makes sense faster and it allows you to move on to the next fundamental faster. I teach some pivot fingerings to help combat the issue of changing chords quickly. So it's not the full chord. I start you out with some easy. But from this angle, you can't tell what the hell I'm doing. But if I show you from your point of view, it immediately makes sense. And teaching from this point of view is more in line with how chord diagrams are laid out. Now, there's still a little bit of head turning that you have to do in your mind's eye for the chord diagrams because they don't make them specifically for the right-handed player. They kind of split the difference so that left-handed players can read chord diagrams as well as right-handed players. So you kind of have to think of it turned sideways, but it's still a lot easier than if I'm showing you that same chord from this angle versus from your point of view. And tablature is laid out just like you're looking at the guitar. The strings on the guitar are the strings on the tab from top to bottom. The bottom is the 6, just like you're looking down, holding the guitar. And this makes things so much easier. So the key to not putting the guitar down in 3 weeks is to remove as much friction as totally possible and get these fundamentals down fast. then you can move on to the next thing and become a better player. If you want to see all kinds of lessons from this point of view, I invite you to go to MyPOVGuitar.com. Until then, we'll see you in the next lesson.